got the Berserker 42mm rotary hammer. I mean drill. I call it a hammer, but it is. It's the same thing. Hammer drill. Alright. Boom.
You can just rip that out. You can just rip that.
I thought it might have slid, but oh, that thing would be sitting on, but whatever. Bang. Got your ram on this thing. Advanced lubricant. Obviously. Oh, they did give you two. Yeah.
Oh.
Those are always good to have.
Two. Is there three in there?
No, just two.
Two?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. That's full of something. We'll get back to that. There, you got your dial. 2 switch. 3 switch, actually.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Sparkly.
Right. Got your speed adjustment.
Let's
Think built for something, dude. It's got some hook to it.
Let's plug her
I
in.
think, what did it say, 26 pounds, dude?
Well, let's look at it. It should say right there. Was it 42? What does it say on there?
42mm. Sounds like this or something. Yep.
That's pretty big.
Yep.
Let's get her going. We're at 2 minutes here.
Yep. Give you big bit masonry. Give you a spike.
Spot. Oh. That's pretty big.
Oh yeah. Heavy duty.
Yeah, do you want to do a demonstration?
Yep. Do a little demonstration.
Okay, let's get going. Whoa!
Take care of you.
Okay, let's go ahead and.
That was just on hammer.
Huh.